Why are you in my couch? I'm trying to watch YouTube. Wolfie, why are you in my couch? Huh? Can you answer that for me? You gonna leave? You gonna leave? You gonna leave? My baby? You gonna leave? Baby? Are you gonna leave? If you attack my phone, I'll be so mad. I will be extremely mad. Do you like me? Wolfie? Hello? Wolfie? Do you want to get out of my couch? Huh? Wolfie? Do you want to get out of my couch? Why are you in my couch? Why are you in my couch? Wolfie? Wolfie? What are you doing? Thank you for ruining my couch. Oh, yes, I know you love to grab light. Wolfie? You want to get on my couch? Huh, baby? I'd appreciate it if you got on my couch. I said house. I want you to stay in my house, but get out of the couch. Wolfie? My gosh. Okay. That's brought us to the end of this video. Wolfie's in my couch. She's not getting out anytime soon. I'm trying to watch YouTube videos, but then she's grabbing my phone and pulling it down to that couch, to the bottom of the couch. Hey! Don't you dare try and grab my phone. It's the only thing I love in life, other than you and my other pets. Okay. Bye.